Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa bread at home. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and line a loaf pan while you cook quinoa and gather ingredients. Measure wet and dry ingredients separately, then mix until combined but not overworked. Let the batter rest for 10 to 15 minutes to hydrate the flour. Bake until a toothpick comes out clean and the crust is golden for best texture and flavor. Gather cooked quinoa, 2 cups flour or gluten-free blend, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup oil, and 1 tablespoon baking powder. Combine dry ingredients in one bowl and whisk wet ingredients in another to ensure even mixing. Fold in quinoa and any seeds or sweetener you prefer, keeping the batter slightly thick but scoopable. Transfer to a prepared loaf pan and smooth the top for even baking and a tidy presentation. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes in the kitchen without worrying about splatters, and it fits neatly on a small shelf. I picked it because it makes following multi-step guides easier and more comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Bake the quinoa bread at 375 degrees F for roughly 40 to 50 minutes, depending on your oven and pan size. Rotate the pan halfway through baking for even browning and check center doneness with a toothpick. Let the loaf cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to finish cooling. This prevents sogginess. Slice after cooling to maintain crumb structure and enjoy warm or toasted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.